You are going to love the 2020 Sierra 2500 HD. The GMC Sierra 2500 HD has all your workhorse basics covered. No worries here. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power heated outside mirrors, automatic transmission, engine block heater, remote power door locks, power sunroof, Bluetooth, universal remote transmitter, heated steering wheel, cruise control, trip computer. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.